Hello everyone. So in this video I will be showing you how to find GCD or HCF for two numbers by using Euclidean algorithm. So I'm going to do this program in both C++ and Java over here. So let's get started. So first I will do this program in C++ and then in Java. So it's going to be int number 1 comma number 2 be the two numbers, okay? And let's just see in number 1 and number 2. Okay, so here we need to first distinguish the two numbers, that is we need to identify which is the largest and which is the smallest among the two numbers. So for that what we will be using is we will be having like int a and b, like to store the largest and the smallest number among these two. So it's just going to be using a simple if condition. So it's going to be if number 1 is greater than number 2, we're just going to put a equal to number 1. So we want our largest number to be as a, okay, and we'll just go over here and put b equal to number 2, okay. We are making sure that our largest number is a, and if it's not that case, if number 2 is greater than number 1, it's going to be a will be equal to number 2, okay. That's it, b will be equal to number 1, okay. That's fine. So here we will be using a while loop, okay, while loop to find, okay. So first I will just write the code and then I will later explain to you. So it's going to be while b greater than 0, and we now also have a remainder int rb, our remainder. So what we will do is r equal to a mod b and a equal to b and b equal to r, okay. And finally we will be printing cout a. So this is how it works. So let me just now explain this code to you. Let's consider two numbers, okay. Let a equal to 100 and let b equal to 30, okay. So these are two numbers that we are getting the input from the user. So our condition is while greater than 0. Yes, our condition is true because our b over here is 30, so it's obviously greater than 0. So it goes inside this. And what happens here is that r equal to a mod b. So a over here is 100, so it should be 100 modulus of 30. So 30 can 30, 60, 90. So our modulus remainder is going to be 10, okay. So now our r value is 10. This is during the first iteration. So here our a equal to b. So b is 30. So our new a is going to be 30. And here in the next line it's going to be b equal to r. So our b was 30 and now r is 10. So 30 is going to be replaced by 10. So our new b is going to be 10. Okay, this is during the first iteration. So during the second iteration, what it happens is that our b will be equal to 10 because we have just replaced 30 by 10. So our b will be 10, which is obviously greater than 0. So it just goes inside it. And here what happens is that r equal to a mod b. So our new a over here is 30. It's not 100, it's 30. So it's going to be 30 mod b. Okay, our b is 10. So 30 mod 10, which is equal to 0. Okay, so our remainder has now become 0. So what happens over here is that our a will be equal to b. So b is nothing but 10 for that. So a's value is now just replaced by 10. So now in this step it will become b equal to r. So r here is 0. So that's it. Our b value will be 0 over here. So during the next iteration our b value is 0. So this loop just breaks off. It does not go. Condition becomes false and it doesn't go inside this. So our cout a will be printed. So at the end the GCD of two numbers will be stored inside a. So that's why we are printing, and 10 is obviously the GCD of two numbers. That is the GCD of 130 is 10. So a will be 10 and our output will be 10. So this is how this code works. Just run this program and show you now. Let me just run it now. So we put some other number, like say we put 50 and 15. The GCD is 5. So it's working. We put some other number as well. We put 130 itself. So we need 10. So that's fine. So let me just do this. We just use the same code for Java as well. So it's like kind of similar to Java. So I'm just getting two numbers as an input from the user, scanner class, util package. So just the basics. So just paste this code here. So here what are going to be changed? That int r is fine and this is not necessary. Just read this. So it's going to be number 1, number 2, int a comma b, and we're just going to put system dot out dot print new line and we're just going to print A. At the end, our A will be having the GCD of two numbers. So let me just save this and run this one. So there isn't any errors. So Java new pro 45 and we put 10. So I'm getting 5 as the GCD. So 5 is the GCD. So that's it for this video. I hope you have found this video useful, and I also have many other programming videos in C, C++, Java, Python, and as well as Blender, which is 3D animation, and as well as in HTML. So do check out the videos of my channel, subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.